The DCH481X2 60 volts Max Brushless 1 9/16" SDS Max Combination Hammer is a lightweight high-performance hammer that is powered by a DEWALT brushless motor and a durable German-engineered mechanism. The DCH481 delivers 6.1 joules of impact energy for fast drilling, even in the hardest concrete. The lightweight design makes it ideally suited for horizontal serial drilling for number 4 number 8 rebar, dry coring, and chipping in any mid to upper wall and ceiling application. The patented E-clutch system provides enhanced control to the user in a bind-up situation and can help minimize sudden torque reaction compared to standard clutches. The active vibration control technology employed delivers reduced user vibration for less user fatigue and greater productivity. With its balanced design, Shock's active vibration control technology, and extreme runtime, this hammer is ideally suited for all-day use, even in the hardest concrete. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DEWALT Hammer Drill has 6.1 joules of impact energy for fast drilling and chipping, even in the hardest concrete. Number 2. Anti-rotation E-clutch system of the cordless hammer drill shuts down the tool in bind-up situations. Number 3. Constant speed electronics allow the tool to maintain speed under load. Number 4. The Shock's active vibration control system reduces vibration felt by the user at the handles, compared to rotary hammers without this feature. Number 5. The lightweight design makes it ideally suited for horizontal drilling for number 3 number 6 rebar dowel applications and dry coring up to 3 inches. Number 6. Brushless motor and durable German-engineered mechanism. Number 7. Ideally suited for chipping in any mid to upper wall and ceiling. Number 8. Tag ready so users and companies can attach the DEWALT tag and track its location virtually anywhere via the DEWALT Tool Connect app. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.